Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Prajapati. Today I'm going to solve LeetCode number 442, find all duplicates in array. So what is the problem statement? It is given an array of nums of array, like different elements they represent, and we have to return more than, we have to calculate the first frequency of each element in this and return the which number have a more than two frequency, like 2 and 3. If we count 2, 1 and 2 times, and we count 3 and 0, 1 index and second last index is present, so we have to return this. More than 1, we have to return the value in array form, in this case also. So what we're going to do, we will first take unordered map to store key and value as an integer type, and we take as m1. Now we directly use for loop. Not m1 dot size, nums dot size. Now what I'm going to do, I have to store a frequency and value in map. In this for loop, store is like frequency 1 colon like 2 times. I have to calculate. Okay, check my previous video for this, how I am going to store the value. Now in second loop, we will check the condition. If the frequency value has a key, like key has a frequency of 1, so more than 1, so we're going to return this. Nums dot size. If m1 nums of I is more than 1, so we are going to return in vector. So we'll take a vector of n type v1 and we store in this like v1 dot push that function of nums of I, and simply we return nums v1. Okay, first case is wrong. Okay, more than once. Mm, the nums of I, long ones, and one of user I, more than one. Okay. Okay, we can do like, so we're going to skip this. We take auto, iterating in m1. Solve and like if I dot second is more than 1. So v1 dot back I dot first. Okay. It is passing all the test conditions in this. So what is the time complexity for this? First we're going to submit this code. So my time complexity for this for loop is O of n. Also for this for loop, O of n. So what will this? So O of n plus m, O of n only because it is constant, and my time complexity is also become O of n.